Beef chili, a delicious comfort food. Easy cooking my way, simple, fast, and tasty. Beef chili, it's easy to make, not too many ingredients. Let's go through them all. So we're going to need an onion, bell pepper, some chili, some minced garlic, and 14 ounces of diced tomatoes. You need some cumin, black pepper, paprika as well, and of course our beef, ground beef. We want to just add the flavors to the beef right now. I'm going to use my hands here and just mix that in. Chop up the onion, bell pepper, green chili. Also be ready for some salt and paprika to add on top as well. Let's go over to our Instant Pot, put it in saute mode for 5 minutes. Let's add our beef right in the pot and start to break that up. We want that ground beef to be well cooked. Let's break it up, and what will happen is all the juices from the beef will come out and it'll simmer right in the pot. Let's add our onions and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and let's just mix that up, stir it well, and let it simmer some more for a couple of minutes. Okay, now let's add our beef broth, 2 cups, right in the pot, and then we will also add 14 ounces of diced tomatoes in the pot as well. Let's throw in our chopped up bell peppers and green chilies and just mix that up thoroughly. You want to, well, let's add the salt and paprika as well. Now stir it, mix it well, and then we're going to start our cooking. Okay, let's go ahead and shut the lid. You want to make sure you're on seal mode. We're going to pressure cook. So turn the saute mode off, press pressure cook, set it for 10 minutes. We're also going to put it on high pressure, and keep warm should be off. We're going to do a natural release. Just start, and while that's cooking, I'm going to actually get our optional items ready, get some cheese and light sour cream ready to be poured on. The natural release happened and our beef chili is done. Take the lid off and you can just serve it in a bowl. I'm going to put some cheese and sour cream on top of it as well. That's the way we like it. I hope you do too. Enjoy. Beef chili, delicious and easy to make in less than 25 minutes. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Easy Cooking My Way.